Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change Flipboard content. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to go to your Flipboard apps and tap on your profile icon. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right in the corner of your screen. And now in this page, you will see the content option and tap on regional editions here. And now you just have to select your preferred country. Here I'm gonna choose Malaysia. And to save it, you just have to go back with swipe it to the right. Well guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.